Delhi chini representative iba mega anchungo Meghalaya o natural games on nawni bidungo nemsung biap ranghon yang aha wa anchungni bak barang Mohit Khelo India saini aro saksa rongjok R Raman yere consultant Khelo India saini chung sokpa aun baksanang Guwahati ni saksa infrastructure division jerangan infrastructure nirokechem biasa saksa iba saktam official nirok ni nai de baha sekarang bisung Sunny Hills Indoor Hall yang aha Sunny Hills Indoor Hall yang on bisung kucunga auria Sunny Hills Indoor Hall koko aru netball kung atken warang kun yang aha dari kini zamano geni babaku bisung PS sangba Indoor Hall ko ban yang aha J1 volleyball aru handball kung atken gowon yang una bisung kucunga ara bunga par ungjok bisung ara PS sangba football ground kun yang aha J1 michkrang ni football kali kung atken kun yang aha bon kami bisung patogon neng manjas jenim kun yanga jerak kode football gabrang na no practice kana baranta kana kata purana kun yanga degi bisung overall yanga bisung kushi de wanga biap rane blon kushi de wanga andeba mangsa mugni suggestion ko dunanga aron deba bisungara ya infrastructure somai kita machuchawa orang mus anga je jinga site nirmutungon contractor orang je engineer ang bodunga SSM engineer bodunga aro contractor orang bodunga bisunna timeline ko ananga timeline agana bisung matchupken agana Sunny Hills ko bisung January zone indoor hall January zone matchupken ni bisung agana ande kemang mai ba ko de PS sangba indoor hall ko de March zone matchupken ni agana de mang anchini patogon ning manja ko de bisung down yan ya bulsini December zone gamagan matchutagen ni agana de mang enderes PS sangma stem den be ready neri ko manghu alangja Games Palace Sanchion yani mamun golpo to boje gen deba mija chunga survey ka angni department angni staff rang survey ka ha hotel lang ko niya ha aro ya chini homestay ko niya ha bagaba baruma ki don gen wa komuni sande sade homework de ka inga ha deba chamba namya ga naman ko jenga bisung ko mere ke bano don gen beben chuna degi bisung aga nanga chuna chungari bapul gen an deba bisung longin kushunga infrastructure long kushunga aro biaprang sengani yang ba ga nanga ribakbak anakba belum kusung geni bagananga demung chuna suggestion gesa gegini dunga wan ramarang ni bidungo approach to ni bidunga gananga demung tharakhale infrastructure ko machotpo time kata machotpo ne chuna gananga orang kusan chuna ga dunga ya chunga report tangko sabmi ka chengen angni office ni da gesa report SSM jekon State Sports Council of Meghalaya bishuni de report gesa dem jere bagaba mandirang bishung report gesa ongen onge getam total report ongen ukun nigir kemang anga bishun nagana ha December jori bachina dimang bisung December jori bakul geni agana angin nikani ude bisuni don gumen timeline machupken khadumya mana tharake rakin kamle khaing ha machuti ke machugen ande banga ba agana manja bisung contract orang kode mo ande ba bisung golpo de bisung jeke machutken ne agana
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.